I guess you have understood about the electron shunt circuit. So using that circuit, we are going to solve one problem here. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the question. Design an Aeroton shunt to provide an emitter with a current range of 0 to 1 milliamps, 10 milliamps, 50 milliamps, and 100 milliamps. A de-ensemble movement with an internal resistance of 100 ohm and a full scale current of 50 microamps is used. So first draw this circuit for this given problem. So here we need 4 different ranges. So there will be 4 different resistors in series combination with parallel to the basic meter. First draw the circuit. Okay, this will be the circuit for this. So here we have 4 different ranges: 1 milliamp, 10 milliamp, 50 and 100 milliamps. So for those, accordingly, we have placed the 4 resistors here in series combination, which are in parallel to the basic meter. So here 1 milliamp range, 10 milliamps, 50 milliamps, and 100 milliamps. Okay. So given value, the internal resistance Rm is equal to 100 ohm, and the full scale deflection current of the basic meter is 50 microamps. So this basic meter can withhold or withstand only 50 microamps, but we need to design this multi-range emitter for these higher ranges of current. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 50 ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆಂಪ್ಸ್ ಗಿಂತನೂ ಹೈಯರ್ ರೇಂಜಸ್ ಅವರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಎಮಿಟರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, but we should keep one thing in mind, that only 50 microamps should pass through this basic meter. Accordingly, we have this internal resistance 100 ohm. Okay, so for 0 to 1 milliamp, for 0 to 1 milliamp, that is for the first range 0 to 1 milliamp. So we are using the same basic equation which we have used in the previous class. Okay, for the design of this emitter, basic emitter and the multi-range emitter. So we are using the same equation, ISH, that is current through this parallel resistors. ISH into RSH, resistance in parallel, is equal to IM. IM is the meter current, the current flowing through this meter, and RM. RM is the internal resistance of this meter. So the given value is what? Let me take pencil. Given value ಎಷ್ಟದರಿ I ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿಲೆ I ಎಷ್ಟದ 1 milliamp, and I is equal to, we know that from the previous class, that I is equal to ISH plus IM. Total I is equal to ISH plus IM, and this I is nothing but the range, the full scale value of the range that we are going to build this multi-range for. ಯಾವ ರೇಂಜಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಎಮಿಟರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ I ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, and I is equal to ISH plus IM, and we know the IM value. Okay, so from this we will get the ISH value. ISH just 13, ISH is equal to I minus IM. I minus IM ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀ? 1 milliamp minus 50 microamps, you will get 950 microamps. So RSH ಏನದ? So here is the range, 1 milliamp ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ range, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು button. So now the switch is in this position. So this is one path and this is the other path. Okay, so ಈ ಪಾತ್ ಒಳಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅವರಿ ಮೀಟರಿಗೆ? R4 plus R3 plus R2 plus R1. So the series combination of all these four resistors are in parallel with this basic meter having the internal resistance Rm. Okay. So 950 microamps into RSH is this value, the series combination of all these resistors. Im is 50 microamps and Rm is given 100 ohm. So from this equation, we will get this relation. R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 50 microamps into 100 divided by 950 microamps. So 5.26 ohm. So let it be like this. So let's go for the second range, 0 to 10 milliamps. So again, use the same equation. Get the ISH value from I value. I value is trigger 10 milliamps. Okay. 10 milliamps minus Im. So this is I minus Im. So I yesterday 10 milliamps, Im yesterday 50 microamps. So now we are 6 ISH 9950 microamps, 9950 microamps. So now the RSH. So for 10 milliamps, this is the connection point. This is the switch position. So now the switch is in this position. And we have two different paths. One is this path and the second one is this path. E path resistance R4 plus Rm, and in this path we have R3 plus R2 plus R1. So RSH RSH, that is the shunt resistors. So we have the series combination of R1 plus R2 plus R3, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, and this is equal to Im. Im is what? 50 microamps, as we already know, and Rm is now the combination with R4. Rm plus R4 ಎರಡು over ಈ path ಒಳಗೆ. Now ಈ path the resistance ತಗೋತೀವಿ. So R4 plus Rm. So Rm is 100 plus R4. Okay. So in the same way for the third range, so this is the ISH value, and this is the switch position here, RSH. Okay, this is the switch position, 50 microamps, and this is the connection point. So now we have two paths like this, one path and the second path. So in this path we have R2 plus R1 in parallel with R3 plus R4 plus Rm. So in this path we have R2 plus R1, and in this path we have R3 plus R4 plus Rm. So now the RSH is R1 plus R2, Im is 50 microamps, and Rm, that is the resistance in this path, we have the series combination of R3 plus R4 plus Rm. So R3 plus R4 plus Rm is 100 ohm. So in the same way, we are getting the relation for the fourth range, 0 to 100 milliamps. So this is the ISH value, and now there is only one resistance. So here is the 100 milliamps. So this is the switch position now. So here is the connection. So now we have two paths. One is like this and other is like this. Okay. So in this path, the path which is parallel to the basic meter, we have only one resistor, that is R1. And in the path which is having the basic meter, we have R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus Rm. So the RSH is having only R1, and this is the Im value, and in Rm we have the series combination of R2 plus R3 plus R4 and Rm. Rm value is 100. So now let's name these equations as 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now let's use those equations to get these values independently, R1 plus R2 plus R1, R2, R3, and R4. From equation 1, we know that R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 is equal to 5.26. We will send one variable here. this side. So this becomes R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 5.26 minus R4 minus R4. Okay. And this we are substituting in equation number 2. R1 plus R2 plus R3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ರಿ ಈ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ನಾವು R4 substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. 5.26 minus R4 in this place. So what you will get? So this is the equation. So from this equation, when you solve this, you will get the R4 value, that is 4.737 ohm. So now substituting this R4 in equation 1. So equation 1, here it is. So this is the equation 1. So if we substitute the R4 value here,
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಾ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.